In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Dear students, I hope all of you fine and doing well. So again, we are going to start, and the next menu that we have, mailing menu, one of the most important menu. But before starting my video, so to try your best to subscribe our channel and share with other students. Multi Skills Learn Academy. So let's start today. The topic that when we are going to teach, so that is about mailing. I think we study already up to here. We are going to start from type a new list. So what does it mean, sir? Mailing. I'm going to make one of the page for student, and after that I mention 1,000 names for every student. I'm going to make individual. So it means, sir, when I'm going to make one page and I enter 1,000 students names, so that will be making separate for every students, like the result. Page is equal, but the name in marks is different. How they're making? Let's come. The first one. First, give them a best title, like for example, welcome to Pakistan. So I mentioned one of the text in here, then select all of them, then click on the, if you are going to mention any academy's name, so you can mention, right? Like if you're going to mention, for example, welcome to Lamar, for example, I mentioned this one. So then come to the home and then increase their size. Then click here, enter, then again come to start menu and write here, for example, name, the things which is important for you, right? Father name, program, fee, right? After that, come to design menu and then click on the border. So which border you want? So for example, if any kind of border you can choose from here, right? Then click on the color. There is a two type of color, but I'm going to click one of them, like this color. So I only make I don't need any fee, I need just score. Whatever you need, so you should mention here. The important point, I only make one page, but if I enter the data of 1,000 students, for 1,000 students, it will be make separate. How, for example, I'm coming, mailing menu, then click on the type a new list. Then delete. Look at new entry means we'll create a new entry in here. Delete means automatically that will be delayed from here. Find means if you're going to find any name, any word, so you can easily find. And custom means I'm going to delete all of them. Why? Because this one is a ready-made from the Microsoft company side. I don't need this one. So delete all of them. Click this one and then delete. So I'm going to delete all the text because this text is from the side of Microsoft company. So that is why I don't need this one. The text which I write over there in the page, so I need the same text. Then delete all of them. I delete all of them. Then come to where? I'm coming to the new and right here name. Right, number 2, father name. The text which I mentioned over there in the page you should mention. Number 3, program. In number 4 was score. Okay, then click OK. That is the same. Look at the same table. Now you enter 1,000 names, but I'm going to enter 3-4 names because the time is short. Ali, right? Then I'm going to mention program, then score. Then click on the new entry. Jamal, then Kamal, then the next one Excel. Then we have marks. Number 3 one Hamid, for example, Asad, for example, DIT, then marks. Right? After that, click on the OK, and after OK, then it will be saved. Give them name, any name, whatever you want. Then click on the save menu. Look at all the option is on right now. Come to home, space a little bit. If you need a space, then click a space. Directly come to insert merge and click name. Again with father name, select from here father name. Here with program you can select a program, and with score you can select a score from here. And after that, highlight will be show the text which you take from the inside, from the text, the insert text which I was taking, they will be highlight that one. Address in greeting line we are using in the wedding card. In invitation letter we are using this one. In the address we are mentioned in the invitation letter. In the greeting we can mention hi and hello, we can mention dear sir and madam and respected we are mentioned. So there is no need of these two. From here I just put with name, with father name, with program, and with score. In the rule we will be studying in Excel program. Ask, if, fail, and if I merge, all of them is available in MS Excel program. I will be individual discuss with you people. In match field, I delete all of the side of the computer. My one is available in here. The other option is off. Why? Because I delete all of them. In here, update is not working because I didn't change anything else in this page. So that is why that is not working. If you are going to make some changes in this one, then you can update. Preview will be show one of them. Like same like this, it will be make like this. Find will be find more names. So like if you have 1,000 name, I'm going to find Ali and Ahmad. Check errors means like if you are doing some mistake, you can easily find from here. If you're doing any mistake, so you can find. But spelling in grammar, if you see the shortcut keys of that one, F7 is the shortcut keys of spelling in grammar. Here is the best option. Edit individual document means I need this document for individual student. The text which I enter before, like I enter 5, 6 names before, 3 names before in the list. So I'm going to make for every student individual razor. Print this document, I'm going to print only this document. If you want to send by email, you can send to other people, but I need this one individual for every student. As you see guys, like the technical board page result certificate is same, but actually student in marks is different. So I already make one page, but I need them individual, then click individual, then click. There is 3 options available. All means I'm going to make for all the students individual. Number 2, current record means like right now, the current record. Pages means from 1 start to 10. I mentioned the individual. No, take all of them, then click on the OK. Right? When I click OK, so automatically this one is for the first one, this one is for the second one, and this one is for the third one. So all of them is implemented. Understand the point? Then come to the tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to study the next topic. And as you know better, the students, I'm in every videos, I just request with you people to try to share this one and try to subscribe our channel, Multi Skills Learn Academy. As I mentioned before, that I'm going to make you a best video with techniques. If you are going to subscribe, because if I'm just seeing that the people is taking some advantages from me, then I'm going to make more videos because I'm going to motivate for other videos. So if you people like, so then try to subscribe our channel. Have a good day and take care.